Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive of a 1967 Pontiac GTO. This linden green is just gorgeous in the sunlight. It just pops, and I love the red lines with it. Absolutely beautiful car. The top here, I'm not seeing any damage on it. Beautiful, straight, clean, amazing car. As I'm doing the walk around, if you haven't already, go ahead and click subscribe on the YouTube channel. Turn on notifications so you get updated anytime JR and myself do a video. And then when we're done here, go on over to volocars.com for 100 or so beautiful pictures of this fine machine and all the details, specs, and pricing. Oh, she's beautiful. All right, let's hop on in. So once again, these videos are for that person that's thinking about purchasing one of our cars or trucks and get to see a little bit more firsthand what it drives like if you're out of state, out of country.
You gotta take a picture of the car?
Yeah. So you can't even do a video without people wanting to take pictures of this. I guess I can go over a little bit more while he's doing this. We have the power antenna. All the windows are power. The inside is just brand new. He has new cushions in there and everything like that. The dash looks incredible. It has the walnut shifter knob right there, which is really just amazing detail to me here. So we'll get in, start up while he's still snapping some pictures. So you buy one of these cars and you become a little celebrity. So here, I'll start her up. Starts right up, sounds amazing. I had the fan going, feel the air coming out. The radio turns on. I'm just not sure if it picks up anything or whatnot. So yeah, this is the first time any of us have got a chance to take it on the road. So we get to see how it runs, everything like that. And I'll start out slow, getting used to it, and then we'll open it up a little bit. Tachometer, speedometer's working, fuel gauge, engine temp, oil pressure. Man, this is gorgeous in here. Jay asked me to look around and see if I could see anything that's wrong with it, because he couldn't, and I can see why. It's absolute beauty. Steer's incredible, nice and straight. Take over a little bit of a bumpier road here. See how it feels. Gosh, this car is just stunning. And these cushions, I believe they're brand new. These seats, you get in, it feels like you're sitting on a cloud. Going over all those bumps. This car is not what I would consider a boat, but it's still just you're floating over all the bumps. Shifts super easy in and out of gear. To get on it a little bit. The chrome in here I'm noticing all around, it looks phenomenal. Alright, we'll get on it a little bit here. city street. Man, that went right through all the gears. Real easy to control. Sounds incredible. Feels just amazing. Like I said, the steering, the moment you turn a little, you start going. I'm not feeling any play. I can get used to this. Steers with ease. This one has that stop, so you actually have to push it over a little bit. You're not going to accidentally get caught between reverse and first. It's all right. Wait for these cars to pass real quick so we can get on a little bit more. Get up and go. I'm always smiling doing these. Well, I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on the notifications, and head on over to volocars.com for all the extra information, selling price, and the pictures. And then give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.